In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy workflows across sub-accounts in GoHighLevel. This is really useful if you manage multiple clients or brands and you want to reuse automations you've already built without recreating everything from scratch. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to duplicate a workflow from one sub-account to another in just a few clicks. Let's start from inside your GoHighLevel account. First, head over to your Launchpad. This is the main dashboard you see when you log into a specific location or sub-account. If you're not already there, make sure you've selected the correct sub-account from the account switcher. Then open the Launchpad so we're starting from the same place. From the Launchpad, look for the menu option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is where all of your workflows live. Once the automation page loads, you should see a list of the workflows that have been created for this sub-account. Next, find the specific workflow you want to copy to another sub-account. Take a moment here to double check you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have similar workflow names. When you've found it, move your cursor to the right-hand side of that workflow row and click on the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. From the drop-down that appears, select the option that says Copy to Sub-Account. This is the feature that allows you to clone that exact workflow into another location in your GoHighLevel setup, including all of its steps and logic. A new window or pop-up will appear, asking you where you want to send this workflow. Click on the Select Sub-Account drop-down. This will show you a list of all the sub-accounts you have access to. Scroll through the list and click on the sub-account where you want this workflow to be copied. Again, make sure you're choosing the correct destination so you don't clutter the wrong account. Once you've selected the right sub-account, you're ready to finalize the process. Click on the Submit button. GoHighLevel will now copy that workflow into the sub-account you chose. Depending on the size of the workflow, this usually only takes a few moments. After it's done, you can switch over to the destination sub-account, open the automation section there, and you should see the copied workflow